You are now listening to the #1 podcast in Sabah.
Anda sedang mendengar Kinabalu Podcast.
I was gonna rip his heart out. I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one to stop me. Praise be to Allah.
Coming to you live from Sabah. This is Kinabalu Podcast.
Yo, what do people say, Ricardo?
Saya Kenny.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast, the #1 podcast in Sabah. Podcast ini dibawakan khas pada anda oleh Tesla Group, menyediakan perkhidmatan fire safety installation dan juga alam serta security system di premis dan bangunan anda. Mereka adalah syarikat dan perkhidmatan yang berlesen dan menjadikan bangunan-bangunan dan premis-premis anda selamat dari masalah kecemasan yang berkaitan.
Ya, untuk mendapatkan hikmat mereka ini, jom kenali Abang Seni yang tengah up meletup bom-bom pow macam Bos James Sabah. Follow social media dia di IG dan TikTok Abang Seni hari ini. Don't forget to follow Tesla Group di Facebook juga. Call diorang di 089991 322. Saya ulangi, 089991 322. Dan email mereka di tesla.twu@gmail.com untuk mengetahui mengenai perkhidmatan dan produk mereka hari ini.
Ya, kita panggis.
Hari.
Baik, selamat kembali ke podcast nomor 1 di Sabah. Podcast nomor 1 yang berada di Singapura.
Yang sangat legit.
Saya Ricardo.
Saya Kenny.
Tadi kita sudah intro kan gitu.
Ya,
kami
betul.
jadi Kinabalu Podcast. Once again, kalau ada yang baru-baru sama-sama kami ni.
Kira kita pangkis di Singapura lah kan.
Oh, pangkis lah kan di Singapura. Ngomong di kamatan lagi punya vibe-nya.
Yeah man.
Kenapa podcast tapi kau nak ikut the surrounding dong lah begitu. Tapi sudah bawa kita punya intro pun kamatan intro everything right.
Nah itulah.
Ya.
Kamu akan buat apa lagi?
Kamu kami cari
DM
yang
lah.
mengadau Sugando yang mau panggil kau. Tak pernah pun Fanzi
yalah.
kan. Si Ellen
Ya,
kan.
betul.
Dia.
Mungkin dia mau kita cari yang latest punya, macam
Mungkin tu yang kau mau di hati kau kan.
boleh juga, bolehkah?
Tanya producer. It's like this lah. Kita punya demographic adalah general dan we are celebrating Kamatan Bosho. Kita pun darah dusun dan apa semua. Tapi it doesn't have to be coconut all the way about Kamatan lah.
Iyalah,
This is
bang.
podcast lah by the way.
Orang muak juga bang. I mean yes, we follow the trend lah juga kan.
Ya betul.
That's right. So pada yang sedang mendengar ini, kami masih lagi
Ya.
memperkasakan kami punya budaya lah. But
Betul.
we are not forgetting what is in trend juga lah sekarang.
Yalah. I mean this Spotify kan. Kau boleh main di mana-mana. Kadang-kadang di Bali kau mainkan lagu kan pula kan. Kau
betul.
mainkan yang podcast yang tidak berkaitan. I mean we're not radio by the way. We are podcast and everything.
Yeah, but you know what? You know what?
Apa kita cakap dulu?
Apa kita?
Okay.
But you know what? When it comes to podcast yang macam, let's say lah, okay, let's go kan, hari raya kan. I would feel like macam, oh okay, sekarang ni raya. I would play back dengan previous episode just to feel the vibe.
Oh ya.
And like macam kita punya kamatan gitu kan, yang last few times kan. I would play back macam yang ada feel gitu.
Yalah.
That's what I do man. Macam with shows pun gitu juga. Let's say Christmas kan, ada anime lah, I love anime lah.
Okay.
Macam Christmas kan, I would play back those episodes yang ada Christmas. So vibe
It's like that lah,
gitu lah.
right, it's like
So you
that
can
lah.
do it with that. So it's good lah kan. That's how it is with podcast.
Ya.
You can fit it on any occasion.
Cakap. Aku mau set up punya makanan dulu sekejap.
Saya punya benda. Okay, let me describe what's in front of us lah. We are now at Al Falah Restaurant
Juchiat.
on Juchiat Road.
correct.
On the intersection of Duku Road and Juchiat Road. Turn right, Jadi
Next station.
next
Juchiat.
station Juchiat. Itu MRT. So kami saja baru Kami baru saja sampai dari Merlion tadi at One Fullerton. Lapar. So inilah kami order. I think how many times we've been here?
I think that this is the fourth time.
This is the fourth time.
Fourth time or third time? Fourth time.
Yeah, it's cheap and it is so sedap, especially the curry. I respect the curry, man. I mean, I respect
And
the one.
roti also,
The roti is nice.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, I keep ordering cheese naan. And
Diorang jaga stand diorang kan.
yeah, betul lah. Like Mizan said, if they macam you can do food in Singapore. If you're not good, then you're not good. If you're good, you're all out good.
All out. It's
Memang all out good. Yeah.
Tapi diorang second best lah di Malaysia. They don't really take care of their standard. Kadang the roti is not sedap, the curry is not sedap, and everything kan.
Itulah.
Why is that like that? I'm not gonna say anything lah because we are.
Yeah, we respect the owner lah. Nanti
We respect the people.
Nanti the next time we hear around and put something like
We respect people around us lah. But once again,
kira saya tengah minum lah.
kira aku pun mau makan pun susah sebab tengah pegang mic lah kan. Inilah street podcast, orang bilang kami hustle for audio content yang bagus untuk kamu orang lah.
Itu cukup title lah. Spirit of the podcast.
Street podcast in Singapore lah.
Kira saya teringat spirit of the coin lah.
Well anyway, saya mau cerita balik pasal Raja Razif punya show. Apa yang tak berapa best lah is macam si Razif cerita semalam, dia kasi tahu because dorong into timing kan. Habis jauh terus dorong suruh keluar ni.
Itu kira best.
Macam fasa-fasa the venue.
Why lah?
Masa keluar tu kan, cannot stay sudah. I want to buy a t-shirt. Sekali tengok,
Sudah packing.
ya sudah packing. Because of timing kan.
Ya.
Itu pun dorong mau kira apa.
Bodoh lah. I mean, I know time is money, but rosak vibe.
Ya rusak vibe.
Orang kalau orang mau ambil gambar and all that.
Ya betul.
People
Rusak
want
the vibe,
to-
betul.
What do you call that? It's the afterglow
After
of the show, man.
after party lah.
Ya,
Yalah aftermath dulu.
Aftermath gitu.
Well itu one thing yang dah berapa best lah. Secondly, the line is di dalam memang tiada, tapi ada wifi lah. Tapi putus sambung.
Sambung lah. Kira my line was okay lah.
Oh ya.
It's so good. Hello.
Masih.
Hello. Testing mic.
Saya kadang pandai terjauh kau dari mic saya.
Boleh. Saya clip di back saya ni supaya saya boleh
Sial lah
makan.
kau ada bag Philip pun bodoh.
Saya masih ada kata back lagi mengolok.
Dah lah.
Sial.
Well, okay. We wanna share experience macam mana mau travel di.
Oh, yeah.
No. It's like this lah, backward lah. We as Sabahan coming down here di Singapore. There's a lot of Singaporeans also coming down to Sabah, especially yang daripada kita punya contact juga.
Yeah.
We would love you guys to come down to Sabah. We want to promote Sabah. Tapi kita ada specific podcast lepas ni talking about Sabah and Singapore kan.
Yeah.
So not talk about that lah. We just talk about Singapore lah itself. Out of the places we went, where is your best? Which one is the best?
I might feel like a kid saying this. I love USS.
USS.
I love USS.
Alright, awesome man.
Give me.
I mean, no. This is the narrative yang orang cakap salah tau, dude. Kau makan. Makan. Let me just dribble. Sambil kau menyampuk with your mouth full of roti canai lah.
Padahal belum makan no.
No, this is the narrative orang.
Yeah.
This theme park, rides, Disneyland and everything ni, macam Universal Studios, you know, whatever theme park lah, Legoland apa semua. It is not just for the kids actually. It is for the older people ataupun for the adults to reminisce and remind back on their old good childhood lah.
Ya betul loh.
Yeah. So the feeling is back. Nanti bukan kita dah sana untuk kita rasa childish and everything. Jauh sudah kau dari kemana. So I think don't get it wrong lah on playgrounds ataupun orang bilang yang rides and everything, theme park ni. It's actually for the adults to remind them that once there was a kid and to feel it back, to reminisce back and bond with the family and something we can talk about.
Yeah. And plus it's a family kind of a setting where everyone can bond together doing activities. Right?
Yeah.
Kira like definition from an Oxford dictionary lah.
So okay, so USS lah.
USS for me. What about you?
Ni I have to like all the places we went lah. I like Majang Maimunah, I like Lau Pasar, I like Raja Razi show, and I like the spice malam.
I thought you said like places of interest. For me, if you said include food,
Yalah, places of interest lah.
fuck it, I love all of it.
Yalah, I don't know which one yang to hate. Semua yang memang
No hate lah.
no, what tu yang macam ini tidak lah, tapi actually
No
oh man,
hate lah.
ya man,
Macam semua pun sedap
semua
lah.
yang kita makan semua sedap seriously man.
Look, I reiterate lah. When people say that Singaporean food tidak sedap, go to Malaysia.
Yeah, man. Sedap gila.
You're doing sort of a very unfair punya comparison, you know.
Yeah, correct.
When you talk about food,
Yeah.
food knows no places unless it is bound by its budaya, its culture and all that, and it has a relation to that food. Okay, so good food is good food, and Singapore have a lot of good food. I tell you, not just because it's an island kan. Orang bilang alah ni sejak kamu orang
Macam lack of sources or supplies and everything.
limited to this only. Dude, come down here lah. Come to Singapore. You don't know what you're missing out, man. And I know Razi keep teasing me about the udang and all that. I mean, I'm not offended. I love it.
Yeah.
I love the udang, man.
Betul.
Gila lebih sedap.
I think saya sendiri that time di Lau Pasar lah. I think I ate
How
a
much?
good of udang. I think a good of 30 udang. Yeah. Because buka
yang hari
satu
tu?
kali, buka satu kali 5. Buka satu kali 5. I think 20 to 30 lah, average of that lah.
I ate more.
Ya, kau lagi eat more.
Not Razi.
Ya, Razi pun
sekali ambil.
Ya, terus dia letak mereka.
Cannot eat more 5. Oh shit.
Ya.
But I'm thankful. Being served.
Mizan layan.
Oh, bisa layan. Masa habis.
And also spice semalam. Spices or spice semalam tu? Spice pakai?
Spice.
Spice semalam tu, Uzan bawa, Razi bawa tu.
Sedap lah. I think
Man.
saya rasa saya regret lah saya ambil. I mean the char kway teow was nice. Penang char kway teow was nice. I regret taking that. I wanted you guys punya lamb wrap.
Itulah saya. You know the art of ordering food is like this.
Oh, how? Okay, teach me.
Always let people order first and see.
What's the margin? What's the highest and what's the lowest gitu kah?
Macam what's the lowest and also what's the best lah.
Oh, saya okay. When people belanja, when I know people is going to belanja, I'm actually quite conscious.
Oh iyalah bah,
About the
orang
price,
baik
bah.
kan.
So,
Tapi
like-
mana kau tahu kena belanja semalam? Kita kena bawa makannya bah.
Yeah, but
Kau berharap?
bukan berharap lah, tapi I know the man.
Yalah.
They are just sort of a kind people. They're so hospitable bah gitu. Tidak lah macam berharap. makan free ni kali weh.
Sial lah.
No lah. But sometimes I'm like that lah. No lah.
Sometimes I'm not like that.
Yeah.
Most of the time bodoh.
Because people say when it's free food, it's the most delicious food. Alamak, tambah lagi bodoh. But I'm thankful lah. I'm
Yeah,
really
food of
appreciative lah.
But ya betul.
Yeah. Sedap.
Spice Hajar Maimunah pun
Sedap,
sudah masa pergi tu Hajar Maimunah pun sudah bom. Kan? Yang di mall tu IPQ mall mana kau?
PLQ. Paya lebar.
Paya Lebar Mall.
Payar lebar.
PLQ Mall tu kita makan tu kira biasa-biasa je lah.
Itu orang bilang, yang siapa tu Ustaz bilang, itu like a meeting point of MRT bah.
Oh.
So it's like a hub. It's a hub.
Okay.
So people stop there to switch station, but at the same time, makan lah di sana.
Okay guys, kami makan ni roti bawang. Kami makan roti cheese.
Saya baru onto the plain prata, onto the show. Nah, onto the plain prata, belum lagi cheese. The cheese one I leave it for the last because it's so nice.
I mean the one is nicer. They put effort lah, bukan just normal cecah lah.
Yeah, this is not that right. This is kuah kari daging kan.
Ya.
So nice.
Jarang lah di Sabah yang masih bagi yang kuah. Kadang-kadang just plain curry.
Malas ya kadang-kadang.
Ya, malas gua.
Kau punya macam not to anu lah, bukan mau cakap apa lah. Yesterday yang kita makan di Tenyang tu, this is a Mrs. Burger tu. The prata is nice, so nice. But the kuah saja. I have to say disappointing lah the kuah.
I think there's a fight here. Baru dari sini cepat lagi.
Yeah.
Oh guys ah,
This is so nice.
so ya, dari daging sekali badi. So kami stop lah kadang-kadang makan pak. Why not man?
Seriously guys, and by the way, we're talking about traveling in Singapore and how Singapore it is as a nation, right? I tend to think of it like this when people say things about Singaporean having no budaya and all that. And your attraction is not those cultural stuff lah, kamu ada USS. This is what is US punya benda lah. Look guys, Singapore is an Asian country, and Asians, like it or not, they have culture. And the culture here is everywhere. You can see it from their buildings, you can see it from the way people talk, the way they dresses, and the way they carry themselves. The Malaysia, I tell you, they are the kindest people that I've ever met in Singapore.
Well,
And their Peranakan roots here is very, very apparent lah. I mean, I'm sitting here at Alfala restaurant looking past Ricardo behind there. So their Peranakan building, it looks very colourful.
yeah.
Beside us is like a Chinese looking building.
Also like a Peranakan building.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
Many old buildings they preserve it lah.
Pre-British era begitu kan?
Yeah.
No, it's British era.
British era during that time.
Pre-British lah.
Well, it's like this. Banyak orang cakap tradition, culture and everything kan. They must remember culture, a tradition made from culture. The culture made the tradition. If people starting to wear this dress lah, for example, like macam Sumazau punya baju-baju Kadazan Dusun ni lah kan, to an event, daripada dulu lagi pakai begitu, it become a culture man. It become like dia jadi begitu lah dong. So it is not from the God. It is the tradition, the culture made the tradition. So bila orang mau cakap bilang tidak culture lah, tidak tradition kan, whatever it is, makan di tepi makan with family sampai tengah malam tu is the tradition, because it happen here. Orang Razi pun anak dia sampai 12 lebih masih lagi sama kita makan, and masalah pasar pun sampai jam 12 mama dia elder kira berumur sudah masih duduk makan. So the culture is like that there. This Sabah 9:30 above kita sudah satu family duduk. Tapi bukan masalah, itu culture kita, and we respect that juga.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, and dorang hustle. Dorang punya timing pun dorang very limited and everything. Dorang opportunist. So the only time dorang ada bonding sebelah malam. So sebelah malam it is right.
True that.
So bagi saya itulah, jangan masing-masing ada masing-masingnya kelebihan. Don't, kalau kau kena di sini, kau kena mentality di sini, jangan lagi fikir tukar. Kau mau pergi negara yang mahal begini, kau jangan cakap dia mahal. Memang kau kena bersiap sedia lah kan.
Yeah, that's
Don't
right.
complain about it, right?
There's a reason for everything, guys.
That's why. Jadi we're gonna take a short break, okay guys? We're gonna take a short break. We'll be right back right after this. And of course, pelajar kami pada podcast kali ini, this whole podcast di episode lah, dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh Tesla Group yang menyediakan perkhidmatan fire safety installation dan juga alarm serta security system di premis dan bangunan anda. Nah, mereka adalah syarikat pengkhidmatan berlesen untuk menjadikan bangunan dan premis anda selamat dari masalah kecemasan yang berkaitan.
Ya, untuk mendapatkan masih ada perata di mulut saya. Untuk mendapatkan hikmat mereka ini, jom kenali Abang Seni yang tengah up meletup bom pau sekarang ini. Apa tuh? Follow social media. Follow social media dia di IG dan TikTok Abang Seni hari ini. Don't forget to follow Tesla Group di Facebook juga dan call 089-991-322. Saya ulangi 089-991-322 dan email mereka di tesla.twu@gmail.com untuk mengetahui mengenai perkhidmatan dan produk mereka hari ini.
Jangan kemana-mana, kita akan kembali selepas ini.
Hey guys, me Danny Shufian. You are listening to Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah.